Hey, my name's Drew, and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a barrel in Blender. So the first thing we're going to do is press A and X. This is so we can delete everything that's on the screen currently. So we're going to go under Add, and we're going to hit Cylinder. Whenever you're doing this, you can do Shade Smooth, and this will make your, all those lines and stuff go away. So additionally, we're going to go in, we're going to hit Matte Cap, Cavity, both. This will give us see like all the little details on the model. Go over to scale and see this little blue line here. What we're going to do is we're going to grab that and pull that up just a little bit so we get kind of a barrel-y shape. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go here and we're going to press Control R and we're going to scroll a couple times. This will give us these little things here. That'll let. So then we're going to click. And once you click, it's going to let you slide these along like this. What we're going to do is we're going to press we're going to press right click after doing that. And that'll put these back in the default position. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to scale. And we're going to use these to pull this out a little bit. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go into this here. We're going to go to wireframe. The helpful part about going into this is that it lets us do this. So see, whenever I do this, it selects all those faces all around. But if I try to do that in this mode, it only grabs the ones that are on that side. So we're going to want to use this. So now we're going to grab this middle section. We're also going to pull it out just a little bit. And this kind of gives us a rounded barrel shape. So now that we've done that, we're going to click on the top and we're going to click on the bottom. So now what we're going to do is we're going to press I on our keyboard and we're going to bring that in just a little bit. And now that we've done that, we're going to go to extrude. If you hold down on it, then you get this little menu here. And we're going to extrude along normals. So what this will let us do is pull that in, or pull that out or in. We're going to bring that in just a little bit. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add the little loops. Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to click Shift, Alt, click. And that'll select that whole ring. We're going to do the same thing on the bottom here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to bevel. So we're going to hold that out, and that's going to make these two extra lines there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to extrude along normals. We're going to pull that out. And now we got those little support ring things. And now what we're going to do is we're going to make some lines. So we're going to select a couple of these. What we're going to do is we're going to hit bevel again. Just a tiny bit. We're going to go extrude. We're going to bring that in just a little bit. And there you have it.